Hi folks, something that I wanted to talk about today was the fact that tech journalism is very generic, and for artists like you and me, it's best that professional artists review tech that you are very much interested in. There's a lot of tech out there that is useful for us, such as something like this, the HP X360. I review tech that is purely, interesting for us, but a lot of large tech companies, such as, tech blogs and vlogs, such as TechCrunch and The Verge, tend to review that kind of tech, but they tend to just read out the specs and don't tell us much about the things like parallax and give us very, specific information that we need to make a buying decision. I found a tweet here which is a couple of years old, but it's still very indicative of, the kind of information. It's a good parody. This is of the gaming industry, but I feel it's an analogy for, tech bloggers and vloggers as well. You're watching here a 2.5 minute video of a game journalist who just really can't seem to get over this very simple part in a game, even though this is the instructional part of the game and it's got the instructions here of the bit that he needs to go over. He just needs to jump and dash. But yep, can't seem to do it, even though he's a game journalist and should therefore be good at games. A lot of tech bloggers and vloggers for the big companies are the same. They can't seem to review for us in this niche really great pieces of tech. But that's why it's better that professional artists review tech for artists. And thus I get comments on my channel like this one from one of my regular subscribers, TogoTunes, who's a great subscriber, and I get comments like this all the time. A couple of things just plucking out. I won't read the whole comment because it's kind of long, but it says only one guy that I would want and trust to do a review on it, and that is Lawrence. Going down to the bottom here, bottom line is that I would need to see someone that I know as an artist, yada yada. But yeah, therefore, testing and opinion, that someone is Lawrence. Yes, exactly. See, you guys trust me with, with reviewing tech for you, and that means a lot to me. I get comments like this all the time. It really means a lot to me, and that is absolutely brilliant because I can help you make a decision before you buy something. And yeah, I know you trust me. It really does mean a lot. And you see, the trouble is you get a lot of big tech blogs and vlogs who have massive budgets. They have staff writers, staff editors, these guys even have solicitors and everything on their payrolls. And the companies like HP, like Microsoft, everything, chuck tech at them. They're the first guys to review everything in most cases. I did get the word exclusive on the Dell Canvas, on the Lenovo A940, but that's in very few cases because some companies do recognize that an artist is the best person to review their tech, but most companies still don't, and I have to spend a long time talking to companies. HP, I had to spend over a year and a half chasing. Wacom my relationship spent 3 years building that relationship, chasing Wacom down to try and get them to talk to me. Yeah, these things are incredibly difficult. If you guys can help me in any way, if you want to see something reviewed, send that company a tweet at LAWRENCEcanDRAW me in as well, at that company, at HP, and tell them what you want me to review. Send, them a message on Facebook, on whatever social media platform you most prefer, and let them know that you want me or your favorite artist to review that. I won't be completely biased here, but yes, artists are the best people to review artists' tech. And that's pretty much it. That's my whole argument in a nutshell. Otherwise, you end up with... I should play it again. Otherwise, you end up with videos like this, where, you know, you have... obviously, this is a gamer, but you end up with videos with, you know, people reviewing tech that can't actually use it. And you never get your questions answered. I answer every question, pretty much every question, in my comment section as well. So you know you can ask me comments, and if I can help you, I will. And so will the entire community. Lots of other people answer questions here as well. That's the whole thing about a great artistic community. So thumbs up, guys. We're doing really well. Let's push up our subscriber base. That way we build our community. Everybody wins. I will see you later. Have an absolutely great day. We're killing it. Keep on being creative.